Today I'm going to show you guys how we make rubber molds for jewelry casting. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. First we need something to mold. Next we're going to need a mold frame and some rubber. And most importantly, the vulcanizer. I need to cut some rubber to fit the mold frame. For this I'll need at least 7 pieces. The middle section I'll cut the rubber to fit around the skull. This is going to go on the vulcanizer for 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius.
1 hour later.
Had this in the vulcanizer for about an hour, so I've shut it down and I'm going to check it in the morning.
The next day.
Looks a little messy, but don't worry, some scissors will fix this. Marking my line, ready to cut. Next, we're going to need a sharp scalpel. This part is a little tricky. Careful not to cut those fingers. Fingers! Molds ready. Time to inject the wax. Now I've made the molds, I can make as many as I need. So that's how it's done in 2 minutes. So if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. So we've got a few minutes left on the clock, so go and check this video out here.